Okay, I'm going to run through three quick examples right now, just so you can kind of practice them. So pause it before each one and then watch me work it. All right, so here's this one. I'm focusing just on this side. I copy it down here. 9 is less than or equal to x plus 6. Spin the whole thing around. X plus 6. It's eating the x, so it's going to eat the x here. Greater than or equal to 9. Means I need to take 6 away from both sides, so I end up with x is greater than 9 minus 6 is 3. So there's the left side. Now I'm going to focus on the right side. Remember, you use those inequalities for your borders, and eventually you won't have to do these anymore like that. So x plus 6 is less than or equal to 15. Don't need to spin it around. I just need to take 6 away from both sides. X is less than or equal to 11. Okay, can you be bigger than 3 and smaller than 11? You sure can. There's a lot of numbers bigger than 3 and smaller than 11. So this is an and. If it's an and, both of my inequalities point left. I'm not going to worry about the or equals to right now. Put the x in the middle. Smaller number is 3. It goes on the left. Sometimes they're not in that order, but you always have to put the smaller number on the left. There's 11. There is an equal sign on both of those. So I put an equal sign on both of these. And ta-da, there's the first one. All right. Going to the next one. Go ahead and pause. Okay, here we go. I'm going to focus on just the left side. Okay, and that's 2 is less than x minus 4. All right, spin the whole thing around. X minus 4 is greater than 2. Add 4 to both sides. X is greater than 6. There's my left side. Now I'm going to focus on my right side. Break it up just like this. Again, breaking it up in between the inequalities. So I got x minus 4 is less than 5. Okay, add 4 to both sides. X is less than 9. Can you be bigger than, can you be bigger than 6 and less than 9? You sure can. Therefore, this is an and, which means that both of my inequalities point left. X goes in the middle. And 6 is smaller, goes on the left. 9 is bigger, goes on the right. There's not an equal sign on either of those. So there's the answer to that one. Here's the next one. Again, it's all about focus. I'm just going to focus on this left side here. Let's see, I got 5 is less than or equal to x minus 2. Spin the whole thing around. X minus 2 is greater than or equal to 5. Add 2 to both sides. X is greater than or equal to 7. Let's go focus on the right side. Okay, here we go. X minus 2 is less than 11. Add 2 to both sides. X is less than 13. All right. Can you be bigger than 7 and smaller than 13? You can. Therefore, it's an and. All right. Both my inequalities point left. X goes in the middle. Smaller number is 7. Bigger number is 13. There is an equal sign on the 7. There is not one on the 13. So there you go. So there's 3 of them very fast. The next one is going to be a bit more complicated, but that's okay. Just hold on. It'll be great.